I'm not gonna lie, I'm not happy with it. Especially this area right here. It goes flat, then it kind of bows out. Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're gonna keep it kind of short. Reason being is we kind of slept in this morning. Don't know if alarm didn't go off or the wife just hit snooze. So I had to get up and go in the bedroom with the little one last night. She is not having, I guess, very good dreams, so that's where I was. But that being said, we slept in way too late, and she got him to school, but now I'm kind of behind on getting out here, so probably gonna continue working on that inner rocker, getting it further along down, welded up, and we're gonna come back up here to this tub and do some refinement. I mean rewelding a couple holes. There's a hole right there and one right there that we need to get. And I think there's another one right there. So a few holes here that we need to weld up. I think this will be pretty good. And of course, the rest of the inner rocker. So we'll work on that today. Hopefully get all that welded up, and I think Friday's video, we may finish the inner rocker if we don't today and paint everything. May come back in here and start sanding on the engine compartment, getting it all ground down. That way we can paint it too. We might paint this front. Might do a lot of painting Friday. So hopefully it'll look a little bit different come the weekend. SHIMS, I think last time I seen they're in California, so they should be here by next week. Should be good. We can jump back on the driver's side door, getting everything lined up on it. But with that being said, like I said, I don't got very long out here, so I need to get started. Let's jump on the tub here in the engine compartment, get that ground down and welded up. That way that'll be ready for Friday. And then we'll jump down on the inner rocker, get as far as we can. And hopefully by Friday we can finish the rest of it up. If it's not done by today, sand it down, paint it. And then Friday too, like I said, if we get everything welded up and ground down, we may come and sand some more of the inner engine compartment and paint more of it. And just front part here, paint it. Forgot who mentioned it, but someone on Instagram said that there's a chemical, I think it's like OSPHO, saying that right. You can get it at Ace Hardware, but it's like a rust converter. And it's supposed to, the way I understood, it's supposed to get rid of rust bleed through. And I take that as in the rust I'm trying to sand down. That's not like actually like holes or scale, just like just like that stuff there. Anyways, you clean everything you can off, and then you just kind of paint that stuff on there, and it's supposed to neutralize it and seal it and be ready to paint. So I'm out looking at getting a little bit of that and trying that out. Be a lot easier, a lot less time consuming if I could just seal it how it is and paint over it. I'll look more on that today, just to see if anybody's used it on YouTube and their review of it. But if it works, then I think it's only like $50 at Ace Hardware. So might get some of it and start painting on everything. That way we can just paint. But let's get this tub welded up and ground down, and then we'll start on the rocker and get a little bit done, call it a day. we got most of the holes filled in. I think it looks okay. Not too happy back over there, but I think it'll work. See a little Bondo, and I gouged out a couple places, but that's, I'll consider that ready to paint. Now let's keep going along here and try to get at least another third of it done. Then we'll finish up on Friday and paint, hopefully. Well, as you can see, ran out of wire. I don't have any, so probably gonna call it a day right there. But looks ugly. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not happy with it. Especially this area right here. It goes flat, then it kind of bows out here a little bit and has a bow in it going from side to side. So I'm just wondering if my outer rocker is gonna work. Guess I can get one next time and put up there and make sure everything's gonna be flat and flush. I think it, well, this part right here is not gonna be seen at all since the rocker goes right here, straight across. So I think as long as this is flat and sturdy, it should be good, and this will just look funky if you look underneath it. But so we're gonna call it. Next time I'll get some paint, more wire. I don't know if you can tell, but see, looking down at it, starting right from where I cut it. I don't know if it's a little bit too long there on the end still is a reason or what, but I don't know, I may end up coming back here and messing with this a little bit. I don't know. It's just not fitting right. Anyways, continue work on this, hopefully get this done Friday, painted, and I know we'll get this painted at least. Is that a big hole? Don't know. Looks like it though. Get this painted. May start sanding this down some more just to break up the welding. I'm getting tired of just welding on that. So may come here, sand a little bit and paint. Let me get some of that stuff I mentioned before, see if it works, does any good. Yeah, I'd like to make more progress, but wire just ran out. I think that's the third spool I used on the Bronco so far, so a lot of welding wire in it. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Like I said, hopefully next week we'll get our shims in and we can start messing with the door again. I may either buy a set of dollies, another set of these roller dollies for the Bronco, so I can push it over, or I could just put the truck on jack stands or something. I don't know. I'd like to have more room over here in this area, but anyways, we'll hopefully jump back on the doors next week and start fitting stuff. Hopefully getting the kick panel situated where we need it and welded in, and along with the pillar and everything else. About it for me today. Like I said, I'm getting in really late to work, so need to head out. But if you like this kind of stuff, stick around. It's more than just welding and grinding and sanding and painting. Hopefully, like I said, we'll get everything fit, weld it up, and we'll move on to the frame and the suspension and stuff. I really like to start taking it apart and really getting the frame nice and clean and painted, and we can start building up from there. But anyways, thank you again for watching. If you made it this far, like I said, we'll be painting probably Friday. Since I need to get welding wire anyways, I'll stop by and get some paint. But we'll get her back together and hopefully get on the road soon. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.